along with my companions Antriksha Bora, Nishant Tanti, Vishal Biswas, Mrinmoy Sakia, Dhruwajyoti Bora, and Sai Satyam Ali. We are from St. Robert's High School, and for Viksit Bharat, we have made this project, Trash to Electrical Energy. The basic concept of this project is, this project shows that, demonstrates that how the trash is converted into electrical energy, and the waste product and the residues and the smoke gas which are produced through burning are turned into useful products which made it completely usable, which made it eco-friendly and sustainable. The fundamental concepts will be said by my companions.
The first one, waste collection and sorting. The municipal waste is collected and then the non-combustible and non-recyclable waste is removed, which is followed by the second one.
Incineration. In this process, the waste product, which is come from this waste material, is burned at a high temperature of 900 degrees Celsius to 100. In this process, the waste product is burned at a high incineration at a high temperature of 900 degrees Celsius to 1100 degrees Celsius, which is followed as from third point.
Electricity generation. The heat energy that is generated from this is get converted into electrical energy by this heating solar panel. This electrical energy is stored in this capacitors. This capacitor is then transferred this electricity in this light bulbs, which makes the light bulbs lighting, and thus it helps for many uses like electricity generation. Electricity generation is also used in agriculture for pumping up water. That's it. And the next point will be said by my other companion.
So as we know, after burning a lot of solid gases and smoke is produced due to the process of combustion. So in this suitable model, the heat energy is clear and the solid waste that is remain can be used for making concrete blocks for construction, and the smoke that is emitted due to combustion can be stored in this filter, and and by dissolving this cotton bud that is attached in this filter can be made into ink for markers. That's it.